All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2000 Ford F-350 XL Super Duty 4x4 with only 29,000 miles. That's right, folks, 29,000 miles on this vehicle. It is a plow truck. It was just a plow truck stationed here at the shop, so that's why it's got such low miles. You got running boards or step up boards. You got obviously the freaking plow. Check it out, a Western. It works, it's operational. It moves side to side, up and down. Super nice. All right, obviously this vehicle is gonna be as is. Because of all this stuff here, we're gonna call it a frame because, what do you call it? You need to mount that to the frame and all that good stuff. So it is your front passenger steel wheel. The tire thread is over 7/32. So let me tell you, the car has a bunch of dents, scratches, stuff like that. Again, but the car does have a plow. It does have tons of tire thread left, as you can see. That one's is at almost 13. Has scratches and stuff like that. Dents all around the bed. All right. Some more stuff here. Boom, as you can see. Boom. All right. Got your tow hitch back here. Apparently they had something attached here that would come up and down as a like a lift. All right. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. I mean, your rear driver's steel wheel. Tire thread here. So again, over 13/32. What your side looks like. Boom. This. Boom. Front driver's steel wheel. Tire thread is way over 13/32 as well. That's what that looks like. Got your step there. Boom. This vehicle does come with one key. All right. Boom. Jump in here. I'll turn on the lift here. Truck on. Lift is on. I actually kept it on. This is how you turn it off. This is how you turn it on. Alright. I don't know if I can get my camera out there to show, but going down, going up, side, side. I got somebody here that can help me out. 1 second, guys. All right, folks. We're gonna go, as you can see right now, it's to the right-hand side. Now we're gonna go to the left. Boom. All the way. There you go. Wow. Now you're gonna go down, up. Look at that. And then we're gonna put it straight. Boom. All right. There we go. All right, look at that. Now we're going down. It's ready to plow out some snow. Thanks, bro. That's it. And that's what the plow looks like. Up, down, obviously working. You know, needs to be connected. Stuff like that. It needs another light up there. That's about it. That completes our tour in here. 29,000 miles. 29,000 miles. 2987, really. See how this thing looks. Was working. A lot of cab lights up there are working. It's good. That's about it. That's about it, folks. All right. Now, of course, as you can see, you need new lights on the fog lights or whatever they're called, but the lights on the truck are actually working, and that's really the most important stuff. You know what I mean, folks? Once again, in 2000, Ford F